Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Monday the 10th of January. Now in the FTSE this morning we said that we needed to get a sustained break above 75.20 to 30 to make the next push higher, but any of the zones could provide aggressive support, but 73.99 to 408 would be the safest area to look for along. So let's go and have a look and see how the FTSE has played out today. So as you can see, we've got this push down, impulsive push down on the open this morning on the FTSE, and then we had the strong move back. So then it's just really chopped around. So there hasn't really been anything of great note to trade on the FTSE at the moment. We have continued selling off this afternoon as the US has opened, but we haven't made it down to that 73.99 to 74.08 zone to look for a long. So nothing really that's been of interest for me today on the FTSE. So now let's go and take a look at the DAX. So we said that the DAX remained bullish on the higher time frames, but it had shown some weakness. If we got a sustained break above 15,970 to 990, then we could look to break back above 16,025 to 45 for the bulls to confirm back in control. However, we had 15,760 to 780 to 695 to 715 that still remain the areas of higher time frame support. So let's go and have a look at the DAX for today. Okay, so we talked about the sustained break above this 970 to 990 area. As you can see, we broke above it pre-market, but as soon as the market opened, we got this impulsive push back down. Now, if you had then seen a corrective pullback, if this corrective pullback had come into this area, that would have been a good opportunity for a short. As it is, we haven't really seen an opportunity for a good short in the market today. Impulsive push down again in the afternoon session. We've come down now. I've had this 760 to 780 zone as an opportunity to buy for some time certainly for the start of this year. Now, I haven't bought it yet. Now, the reason I haven't looked for a reversal there is I want to move to the higher time frame and just show you the market is not as extended into this area as I would maybe have liked. So therefore, I'm going to look for potentially a move a little bit lower. Just take out maybe take out these swing lows here for a bit of a liquidity grab, and then we can look for a reversal. At the moment, though, it could very well hold here, but it's just not quite extended enough into that area as I would have liked, which is why I haven't bought it yet. But if we get a really good reversal signal, that's not to say that we won't still trade it, but at the moment, I'm waiting patiently for the right and correct signal. So that's it on the DAX today. Again, so there's not so much high probability. There was a couple of opportunities on the 1 minute chart. First thing, if I just show you these are very, very aggressive, not ones that we actually took ourselves, but opportunities to get short. Here where we started holding the 8 moving average, breaking back below that 970 to 990 zone. So this here, you could take a break down there, but that's very, very aggressive, very difficult to get your stops right and stuff on that. That's for much more advanced traders. And then we also had this really nice 1 minute continuation trade. However, yet again, it's difficult to take because of the risk to reward involved in that. So the market has sold off. It's shown a bit more weakness, so we're going to have to see where we are again in the morning. We are at some support levels. We are approaching some support levels, so there could be some really good trading opportunities to come. So I hope you found this useful, guys, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.